This new Premiere Pro update is wild. But instead of breaking down the tech like a tutorial robot, not today. I'm gonna explain it like you're in kindergarten. Except this kindergarten runs on Adobe Firefly. And a quick heads up, I got a dope gift for you. First link in the description. So let's start off with Generative Extend. Imagine your clip ends. Before that was it. Your footage would just stop. But now Premiere Pro can literally stretch your clip forward. It uses AI to generate new frames up to 4K quality and even adds ambient audio to the match, so it sounds real too. And since it's powered by Adobe Firefly, which is trained only on licensed content, everything it creates is safe to use in commercial projects. It's like stretching your clip with magic and not getting sued. Next, let's talk about the AI search panel. Imagine looking for a specific shot like a guy walking in the rain with a red umbrella. Normally you'd be clicking through folders forever, but now you just type what you want in the new AI search panel and it finds it in your footage. It's like Premiere Pro grew eyes, a brain, and Google search powers. Let's talk about caption translation. Premiere Pro now speaks 27 languages. All you have to do is write your captions once, hit a button, and then boom, they're translated. Spanish, Japanese, German, you name it, it's like having a subtitle squad that never sleeps. Next, let's talk about color management. Ever shot in log and wondered why your footage looks like sad flat oatmeal? Premiere Pro now fixes that automatically and converts them to SDR like Rec 709 or HDR instantly. No LUTs, no color wheels. It's like Premiere saw your flat footage and went, let me handle that. So yeah, Premiere Pro didn't just update. It evolved, it thinks faster, edits smarter, and makes you look like you have a full-time assistant. And hey, if you want to test all these features with a little head start, I dropped an awesome gift in the link below. Hit that and go make something amazing.